Another one. Another one.
Man, what's happening? What's up, man? So, I'm gonna get this right. Anyway, man, it's your boy D, man. It's from Debonair Lifestyle ATL. And what we got, man, this probably the most sought after shoe of the year of 2020. I promise you, man, I got it right here. You know where we at, man. Howard 85 Sneaker Shoppe. Man, one of the hottest sneaker stores in the ATL. If you ever in Atlanta or if you from Atlanta, make sure you stop by the south side, man. Hit up Howard 85 Sneaker Shoppe, baby. And what we got here right now, we got these pairs right here. Hold on. Now, I ain't mean these. I ain't mean these either. I meant these pairs right here. Gene, what's wrong with you, bro?
Come on, man.
I can never get a...
I'm working over here.
Bro, we got the hottest shoe of the year, and you don't want to...
Come on.
Bro, help me help you.
I'm trying.
You ain't try hard enough, bro. Oh, snap, man. Woo! I told y'all, boy, I got that heater. I got them heaters, dog. You already know. Based on the box, you know what these is. I ain't got to tell y'all nothing too much, man. Let's read the description real quick. Let's see. Hold on. Check my glass real quick. Air Jordan 1, Retro High OG. Got a sale, black, dark mocha. No, I had dark mocha. No. Black. Alright, let's check it out. I swear to God, if I come to the shop one more time and I get an empty box, man. Sorry, y'all. I got the real box this time, see? I don't know why they like playing with me, bro. They always... Anyways. Alright, y'all, so we got the box right here. Let's check it out. No. I ain't ready. We got them bad boys right here. The Air Jordan Retro 1 Mocha. If you know anything about shoes, you know these were based on the Travis Scotts that dropped about, I believe, a year ago, if I ain't mistaken. Except instead of that inverted swoosh, everything's back to normal. Same. Alright, man, so like I said, bro, these shoes are very, very, very limited.
I need my space.
Anyways, these shoes are very, very limited. Like, it was highly sought after. Like, a lot of folks didn't get them. I didn't get them. I tried on Sneakers, Foot Locker. I tried like 100 raffles.
Big
I
L.
took L's. Nah, big L's, like capital L's, no cap.
I took one too.
However.
I took one too. I ain't gonna lie.
See what I mean? We all taking L's out here. I tell you, you really did take an L. Highway 85 Sneaker Shoppe. See, you think I'm playing? You think I'm capping? You think this is a facade? No, hell no. Come to Highway 85 Sneaker Shoppe. We got everything you need. Every release from this year, last year.
No cap.
They here. See what I'm saying? Last year. They here. Everybody know about us, man. My boy Desi Banks. He stopped by the shop. My boy Safari, loving hip hop. You already know, man. He stopped by the shop. And guess what's in the shop right now?
Da-da-da.
Mochas. I'm telling you, the stores ain't got them. The sneakers app ain't got them. But guess what? We got full sizes, man. Full size run. Let's get it. Let's go. Stop by the shop, man. Rock with us, man.
Sir.
Tell them, Gene.
8512 Highway 85, Jonesboro, Georgia. The location is not changing. Get used to it. Pull up, shop. We got it all. Anything you need, we got it. Come get it.
And they black on. If you didn't hear the address, hit that rewind button. If you heard it, man, stop by. If you're in the ATL, stop by. If you're not, get flued out and stop by. Let's get it. Let's go. Peace.
Hey, your baby daddy ain't got these too. I'll tell you that now.